Welcome to our DNAvatar course titled Aligning with Source Vibration, a Transformative Journey into Higher Consciousness Alignment. I am Joanne Shivanti, and I'm excited to meet you here at this time in your life when this information is something that steps into the front of your consciousness. I'm a spiritual guide and love to help others in discovering their higher path and purpose for being here on planet Earth at this amazing time in our collective evolutionary history. You can learn more about me and my journey here on this YouTube channel. Let's move on to what you will learn in this course. This isn't just another meditation series you'll watch once and forget. This is a structured learning experience designed to fundamentally shift how you understand yourself, your body, and your connection to source energy. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this course so you can get the maximum benefit from every session. Think of this as your roadmap to transformation. Section 1. What is source vibration? What you'll learn. First, let's talk about what source vibration actually means, because this is the foundation of everything we'll explore together. Source vibration is the fundamental frequency of creation itself, the pure, coherent energy that exists before form, before thought, before separation. Unlike traditional concepts of God as an external being, source vibration is the living, breathing essence that flows through you, as you. Why this course exists. Most of us have been taught to seek spirituality outside ourselves through religious practices, gurus, or complex rituals. But what if I told you that your body is already designed to be a direct receiver and transmitter of this highest frequency? That's what this course teaches you, how to recognize, activate, and align with source vibration. That's your divine birthright. Who this course is for? This program is perfect for you if you're ready to move beyond seeking and into direct experience. You want to understand the science and spirituality of consciousness. You're curious about your body's energetic systems, chakras, DNA, cellular intelligence. You practice meditation and want to deepen your connection. You're on a path of spiritual awakening and need practical tools. You feel called to shamanic practices and sound healing. If any of that resonates, you're in exactly the right place. Section 2. The course structure. The learning journey. This course consists of 4 progressive videos, each building on the last. Let me walk you through what each one offers. Video 1, Introduction to Source Vibration. This is where we are right now, your gateway into the work. In this video, you'll discover the key questions that unlock spiritual awakening. Learn the secrets to aligning with your spiritual path. Understand what source vibration actually is. Explore how your body sends and receives vibrational information. Learn about the frequency layers of your body. Understand cellular coherence as your foundation. Be introduced to shamanic journey techniques. Experience your first 20-minute guided meditation. Know exactly what comes next in your learning. Video 2, Deepening Your Alignment. This video expands on Video 1, going more in depth into the concepts and extending the meditation for deeper integration via sound healing. Explore DNA activation and your Akashic records. Understand your bioenergetic matrix, physical, mental, emotional, spiritual. Learn about the endocrine chakra connection. Practice the vertical drop for soul essence alignment. Experience an extended guided journey into source vibration. Video 3, Advanced Shamanic Journey. This is for experienced practitioners who've completed videos 1 and 2. A streamlined, potent journey designed for longer meditation and/or sleep integration, working with deeper layers of consciousness, advanced frequency alignment techniques. Video 4, Shamanic Sleep Journey. This is the ultimate integration experience for advanced practitioners. After completing videos 1, 2, and 3, you're ready for this. A 3-hour shamanic sleep journey with extended music and minimal voice guidance. Gentle prompts that reference your previous learning. Your body already knows the way. Journey through the lower, middle, and upper worlds of shamanic consciousness. The guided voice track weaves in and out, allowing the music and your own inner wisdom to guide you. Designed to be experienced as you drift into sleep, letting deep integration happen at subconscious levels. Perfect for profound rest, while your soul continues the work of source alignment. By the time you reach this video, you won't need detailed instruction, just gentle reminders to drop deeper into what you've already embodied. Why this sequence matters. Each video builds on the previous one. You wouldn't try to run before you can walk, right? Same principle here. The foundational concepts in Video 1 prepare your system for the deeper activations in Video 2. The practices in Video 2 prepare you for the advanced work in Video 3. Trust the sequence. Your nervous system, your energy body, and your consciousness need time to integrate each level before moving to the next. Section 3. How to watch for maximum benefit. The minimum commitment. Here's what I recommend. Dedicate at least 2 weeks to a month to each video. I know that might sound like a long time, but here's why it matters. Transformation isn't instant. Your cells need time to reorganize. Your neural pathways need time to rewire. Your energy field needs time to stabilize at higher frequencies. Watch each video at least 7 times in a focused state. Yes, 7 times fully aware, not falling asleep. Each viewing will reveal something new as you integrate deeper layers. 3 different viewing modes. Mode 1. Eyes open, visual engagement. Watch with full attention on the screen. Let the visuals guide your consciousness. Notice how the imagery connects to the spoken teachings. This mode is great for your first 2 or 3 viewings. Helps your conscious mind understand the concepts. Mode 2. Eyes closed, deep absorption. Use good quality headphones, this is important. Close your eyes and drop into the guided audio. Let the frequencies in the music work directly on your nervous system. Feel rather than think. This mode is perfect for viewings 4 or 6. Allows deeper subconscious integration. Mode 3, sleep integration. Play the video as you're falling asleep. Your conscious mind rests while your subconscious absorbs. Particularly powerful for videos 2 and 3. Do this after you've watched actively several times. Using your PDF workbook. Each main video has a PDF workbook. You'll find the download link in the video description. Before watching, review the reflection questions in the PDF workbook. Set your intention for the session. During watching, keep the PDF nearby to jot down insights. Pause if something really lands and you want to capture it. After watching, spend 10 to 15 minutes with the journaling prompts. Track your experiences and shifts. Notice patterns over multiple viewings. Why journaling matters. Your journal becomes a record of your transformation. You'll be amazed when you look back after 2 weeks and see how much has shifted. Write down physical sensations during meditation, emotional releases or openings, insights or downloads you receive, dreams you have after sessions, changes you notice in daily life. In closing, ready to begin or need more foundation? Now that you understand the structure and approach of this Aligning with Source Vibration course, you might be feeling one of 2 things. Yes, I'm ready. Let's do this. Amazing. You're about to embark on a profound journey. In the next module, I'll walk you through exactly how to experience Video 1. Or maybe you're thinking, this sounds incredible, but I'm not sure I'm ready for this level of work yet. And that's completely okay. Honest self-assessment is wisdom. It is important to take things in the right steps that are in alignment with your current path. Building your foundation. If you're newer to consciousness work, meditation, or sound healing, or if you simply want to build a stronger foundation before diving into source vibration, I've created a series of beginner-level courses specifically designed to prepare you for this deeper work. There is a playlist available. The link is in your PDF workbook, which will give you a brief intro to each course so you can learn more. Toe dipping for newbies. A great place to get started. Introduction to DNAvatar program. Increasing your light quotient. Following the breath. Becoming sound, dissolving into a formless state. How to access these courses. You'll find links to all of these courses in my YouTube store. Check the products section below this video. Click through to learn more about each one and see which might support your journey right now. You can visit my DNAvatar.com website to learn more about this program. There's no rush. Build your foundation at your own pace, and when you feel that inner yes, source vibration will be here waiting for you. Your next step. If you're ready for source vibration, continue to Module 2, where I'll guide you through exactly how to experience Video 1. If you want to build more foundation first, explore the beginner courses linked in my store, practice with those, and come back to source vibration when it calls to you. Either path is perfect. Trust your inner knowing. You're exactly where you need to be. See you in the next module.